Hi everybody, this is Mirav, and today I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to the latest version of iJoomla Ad Agency. Well, it's kind of a process because we made a lot of changes, so I want to go first over what kind of changes we made. First of all, if you open any of the packages, you will see that on the old version, you can assign the package to more than one zone. You can check any zone that you want. And on the new version, you can choose only one zone. And this is a very big change that is going to be very, very positive moving forward with the development. So during the upgrade process, you're going to have to choose which zone you want to assign for which package. The next thing we changed is that now on the zone, if you look at the zone the way it is now, there is no way or obligation to choose any type of ads that will be assigned to the zone. For example, you can show text ads and floating ads and banners and all kinds of stuff in the same zone. In the new version, we ask you to choose what are the ad types that are associated with this zone, and that again, that's a very good change for the future and for now. So I'm going to show you later how it looks like. So during the upgrade process, you're going to have to choose which uh, ad types are supported for which zone. Let's move on to the next thing. If you click on any of the ads, you will see that currently you can choose a zone, which zone you want to assign for this ad. On the new version, you can't choose a zone for an ad. It goes by package. So you can choose which ads to display for which package or campaign, and based on the zone that is assigned to this campaign, you can know where this ad is going to be displayed. It's not as complicated as it sounds. So let's start with the upgrade process. Okay, so to upgrade, you go to install, uninstall, and here it's a cool thing. You don't need to uninstall, you just need to reinstall. So what we're doing is we're just going to install on top of it. So let's install it. The .com, the com component, and here we see a link that says please continue the upgrade of Ad Agency here. Very important that you click on it, otherwise you're going to have to do everything manually. It's just going to take more time. So I'm going to click on this link, and this is a list of all our zones, right? This is our zones, and we need to choose what kind of ads we want to have for each zone. For example, right, I want to have banners, standard, affiliate code, and flash. And on the text ad zone, I want to have just text ads. And on this zone, I want to have again just text ads. And banner example, I'm going to have banners, only standard. And then floating, I'm going to choose just floating. Okay, so that's the first thing. And then you add the size of the banner. So in this case, I know that I have banners in size of 125 by 125. And here I want it to be 150 by 180. But you can enter based on what you need, and you can always change it later on the zone. So don't worry about it too much, but just put something that makes sense to you at that moment. This is for the again a banner, and if it's a floating like here, there's no need to enter a size, so we're just not going to enter anything. And then we're going to click continue. On the next step, it's asking me for each package what zone I want to use. So I have a package called right, so I'm going to choose right. All zone is probably not going to be anymore because now I have to select a zone. I'm just going to choose text ads, and then floating examples, and then text ads. You basically have to think about it a little bit and decide for which package, which zone it's going to be, and then go back to the package and update the description of the package, and also check it on the front end to make sure that everything is looking the way you want it to look. And then you click continue, and that's it. The upgrade is complete. Now let's take a look how it looks like now. If we go to packages and we open a package, now you can see the name of the zone here, which was not available before. And you can see that, for example, I have a package called 1 Day Free. You can see that the zone assigned is the zone called the text ads. but you can change it to anything you want. Okay, let's take a look at the zones. Now the zones, we added another tab here, actually two tabs. If you click on Add Details, you can see the selection that you made during the upgrade, how it looks like. If you need to make any changes, make those changes right now and then save. Again, the add size, you can determine it right here. So this is it about upgrading from any version earlier to 2.0 to any version from 2.0 and up. Thanks for watching.